Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Santosh Kumar. In this video we will continue our chapter 5, which is When People Rebel 1857 and After. In this video today our topic is The Company Fights Back. Dear children, the company decided to crush rebellion by applying its full force in following ways. Number 1, Britishers brought reinforcement from England. It means in 1857 revolt, Britishers less number of sepoys in comparison of rebel forces. Also, the Indian army was outnumbered in British army. This is the cause Britishers brought reinforcement from England. Now second point is passed new laws. Passed new laws. It means Britishers which period of time created new laws to punish the rebels. Now third point is Delhi was recaptured in September 1857. Okay, dear children, we know very well our Indian soldiers captured Delhi on 10th May 1857. Okay, and which the British recaptured in September 1857. So Indian enjoyed only 4 months. Okay. The last Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar was prosecuted and sentenced to life imprisonment. His son were shot in front of his eyes. Bahadur Shah Zafar and his wife Begum Hazrat Mahal were sent to Rangoon jail in October 1858. Okay. Now Bahadur Shah died in the Rangoon jail in November 1862. Dear children, Rangoon jail situated at Myanmar. Finally, the British recaptured Delhi. The British had to fight this battle continue for 2 years. Now here we have a question. What about other centers? Lucknow was taken in March 1858. Rani Lakshmibai was defeated and killed in June 1858. Tatya Tope lived in jungle of central India and continued to fight a guerrilla war with support of tribal and peasants. Their children, guerrilla, which is a Spanish word which means a small war or hide war. Finally, in 1859, Tatya Tope was killed by Britishers. Just as earlier, the rebels encouraged by the successor against the British. Similarly, the defeated of rebel forces started to break the courage of the people. Now, British turned the situation. The British made every effort to win trust of the people. Now Britishers make different rules. These are: number 1, he announced a reward for loyal landowners. Number 2, those who rebelled were surrendered to British, they will be safe. Number 3, if they haven't killed any Englishman, their right and claim on the land will remain. So, through these processes, Britishers come back in this revolt. So, dear children, next video we will discuss aftermath. Thank you.